last video for access. We're covering 5.5 and 5.6 in this video. So let's open up the first one, which is QRY 5.5 query. There we go, and going into design view. It says display only the subscribers' names, so name, surname, contact details, they don't want age, contact details, and installments. So like that. So if you run it, you'll only see the names, the contact detail, and the installment. Alright, then it says display the highest installment in the data sheet view. So in this view that we're currently in, as you can see here, this is the data sheet view. In this view, they want us to display the highest. So we're going to open up this columns row. Here we go there. And then we're going to go to the installment column, drop down list, and say max. Now max is going to calculate the maximum. So look for the biggest number and display it here. So there we go. That's the max. That was just 3 marks. We can save that and close. Alright, last question is 5.6, says open the RPT 5.6 report. So there we go, we double click on it. Group the report first according to the package field and second according to the option field. So I'm going to go here to my design view. Over here under package, I'm going to right click on it and say group on package. So there, groups on package. Then I'm going to go to my option field and right click and say group on option. Alright, so there we go. It puts the report into these 2 groupings, first by package and then by option. And if I go into my design view, you can see here it's got the package header and the option header put in for us. And if we look here, first by package, then by option. Okay, so now it says add a calculation that would display the total number of subscribers per option. So what we're going to do is we want to put this formula into the option footer. Now if we look through here, there is no option footer, so we're going to come out to the bottom. If you don't see this, please make sure that you come here to the grouping and sorting in your design tab, and if you don't see it, click on it and you should see it coming up. Now under this group on option, we're going to click on more, and then we're going to say here where it says without a footer section, we need to say with a footer section. Okay, so you'll see now that the option footer has opened up for us, and this is where we're going to put the formula. So the formula says add a calculation that would display the total number of subscribers per option. So over here we're going to go to our text box, click down and drag it open. You'll see that it puts in the unbound box as well as a label. So it says a label. So in this label we are going to type in our description for this formula, and we're just going to say here number of subscribers. One thing you need to know about this is if I grab the box here and I try and move it, you'll see both of them move together. So if I want to move one box independent from the other, I need to click on the big square in the top corner, and there they'll move independently. They're still one unit, but when you need to move them independently, you need to click on the box at the top there. Alright, so number of subscribers, and over here we are going to build this expression. So make sure your data sheet is open, go into data, and over here at control source, click on the 3 little dots to open up your expression builder. Alright, so over here what we're going to do is first we're going to go to functions, built-in functions, and I'm going to look for my function that is going to count. There we go. Double click on it to add it, and then over here I'm going to add in the field that I want it to count. It wants the total number of subscribers per option. We can pick any field that we want that will be able to count all the subscribers. The quick way to do this, if you want to count all the records is just to add the asterisks. Okay, I say okay. There we go. When we click on the view to view it, you'll see here option. There's 2, compact, there's 6. So at the end of each of these options, it gives you the total of subscribers. Alright guys, that was the question 5 completed. All the videos for question 5 comes up to 42 marks. You can save this, close it, and well done.